darker than the East River, larger than the Empire State, with the beast who guard the barbed wire gate.
Now, I've always had an interest in vehicles since I was a toddler, as well as mechanical systems. But before I go building the next Tesla, I figured it's better I start on a smaller scale. So I'm setting off to build a cheapo driving machine on a $250 Canadian budget. And for the mug lovers out there, that's $185 US. Now the question is, why did I choose electric? And
you're not going to be able to just switch to battery operated vehicles or wind for your electricity, and just having that conversation around why that's not possible in the next 10 years is critically important to the work that we do.
So that's why. And I know there's a lot of issues with electric drivetrains as well, you know, the main one being charging. We don't really have the infrastructure, but it's really just meant to exercise my abilities, you know, a whole bunch of fabrication going on, electric stuff, all of that, all the good shit. I picked up an old Bionix motor from my local e-bike shop's broken bin and started getting it up and running again. Open up this motor here, and then I got another one just in the back there that they both say broken, but it's just for the proprietary shit, so hopefully once I get it open we'll be able to fiddle with it a bit. I got a gear puller there and I'm gonna try and I'll see how it goes. That is the inside of the Bionix motor. Let's get a closer look. So yeah, the one on the left is the one I'm hoping to be using. It's the stronger one. It's 48 volts. On the spec sheet it says it can go up to 1,500 watts, but it's nominal 350, so not sure about the specs on the right. Didn't check it. That's just gonna get scrapped, or you know, parts if I need it. So the problem I'm having is that these magnets right here just want to stick back right away, which I mean, that's what they're supposed to do, but it's very hard trying to get it off. And also, to add to that, my gear puller only has 3 prongs, so not exactly the most even dispersion. Here's the motor controller from the Bionix motor. You can see they split the capacitors into groups for each phase, and there's some MOSFETs on the back there. I got this 12 gauge speaker wire here, which seems to be the same gauge that the power cable was using that was carrying it to the motor originally, so it should work out well. We'll see. Now everything's done on the wiring. This is out the front so I can stick it back through the hub, and hopefully I've done everything right, but we'll see in a couple minutes. I'm gonna go drill some holes in the covers. I stripped the wires for the Hall sensors, as well as put some connect clips on all the phases. Motor controller and PSU on the other side here. Some tools over there, and I'm gonna test this. Hopefully it works. Fuck yeah, dude, watch this. That is sick! And yeah, it was way easier to get this thing up and running than I expected it to be, which in some ways makes me suspicious, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. There are some oddities about this little guy, but we'll just face it when it comes.
Guess what came in the mail today?
I managed to get brake rotor, cassette, and most importantly, a battery full of Sanyo 18650 cells. Shout out to Ohm Bikes. That's where I got this shit from. It's really cool. They're a really nice bunch of guys. Make some cool bikes, and yeah, just shout out to them. I'm also in the works of picking up a lawnmower, so that'll be in the next video, and I'll see you then.